everyone! Today's video is going to be the March Boxycharm unboxing, and let's go ahead and get with it. I do have to say I mainly did my makeup. I gotta go to work today and I don't have time, unfortunately, to do all the try-ons that I want to do, but there might be some things in here that I will try on, so we shall see. But let's get to it. Oh, I don't want to get fall. This is what the inside of it looks like, and this month's theme is vacation. We all know we're all ready for a vacation, aren't we? So, first thing on the box is these South Main 3 eye gel packs. That's what that looks like. And these retail for, if I can find it, oh, $10. $10, and it says that it has 3 eye gel packs, which I think is going to be a pretty good deal. Let's see what they look like on the inside real quick. So that's what they would look like on the inside. And there are 3, so that's awesome. I think that's a pretty good deal. Mainly eye mask or under eye things would cost $10 in of itself for one pack, so I think this is a pretty good deal. I will have to try them out though and let you guys know if they work, if they don't work, what's up with that. Next on the list is from Butter London. I've never heard of this brand, and it is their Double Decker Lashes Mascara. This is what it looks like. I already have mascara on, so I'm not going to try it on, but it does retail for $20. Alright, third thing on the list is this, excuse my hair by the way, it's a little messy, is from a brand, the Vintage Cosmetic Company. Again, I've never heard of this brand. It is their Smoky Eye Brush Set and retails for, ooh, $23.15. And this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can get these out real quick without actually ripping the box. Nope, not from that side. Nope, not from this side either because it's taped. Let's see if I can get it open. Ah! I did. But can I get them out of the package? That's a real question. Oh, I did. And this is what they look like. Let me see if I can get you closer. It has step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, I don't know if you can read that, and step 3, go girl go. And in the back of the package it shows you the step-by-step of how to work these brushes. So that's pretty nice. And then the fourth thing that I got is this pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in Hush Blush. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like opened. And I actually don't have blush on, so I'm going to go ahead and try this out and see how that works. I was prepared because I had already got my blush brush from Moda Pro. This is their BMX 130 pointed blush brush. So just going to tap it in there. Oh, nice color. I'm a little scared because I don't do blush very well. And I also got my little mirror, so give me a little second. Oh, that's very colorful. I might have done too much. Yeah, you can see it definitely more on one side than on the other. My bad. I'm going to put a little more on this side because I feel like I didn't put some, but so far I like it. I like the color. It's not too out there, but it's not too subtle either. And I'm going to see if I can zoom you guys in real quick to show you what it looks like, if we can do that. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but here it is right here in color wise. So Oh no, guys, sorry. New camcorder, still working on it. Did not mean to zoom in a little more than what I needed to. And this retails for $26. So I'm pretty excited about this one. I haven't had anything from Pretty Vulgar, but I've heard about them. And then last but not least is this thing, which is the Boxycharm and Pure, eyeshadow palette. I already opened it, so this is what it looks like. It has a nice little mirror here. Hello! And then it has these beautiful eyeshadows. I am definitely loving the blue one called Mia and the purple one called BFF. I cannot wait to try these out. And this is, it just says eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $36. So that's a pretty good deal. Don't know, let's see if I can do this. Okay. I know that the Boxycharm boxes are well over, have a value of $100 or more. So I think for this, what you pay, $21 for a box, is pretty nice. I'm really liking the stuff that I got this month. Yeah, and I can't wait to try these things out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. No, it's not working.